Hey, it's Anissa. Today I have a great deal for you on the Deep Cleansing Facial Steamer and Hydrator. Now, if you've ever been lucky enough to have a facial, you know the first thing the esthetician does is apply steam to your face. That's for a few different reasons, but number one is it opens up your pores. This not only lets the toxins out of your skin, it also is going to remove that extra bit of dirt and oil that regular cleansing won't remove. Number two, it adds hydration to your skin. And as we get older, that's so important. And then finally, it's going to allow all those products to work better. And that's the dirty little secret of the estheticians. When you get a facial, you feel so wonderful that you're gonna buy those expensive products. You don't need to. Using this and regular products are going to have the same effect. Now, why I love this steamer is you get that same professional quality steam, so you're going to get all the benefits, plus it's so relaxing. And this unit comes with bonus accessories like the nose mask. Now, this is great for really concentrating on the nose area, which has a tendency to get more clogged, and it's going to also help you if you suffer with any sinus issues. It also comes with 4 surgical quality extractors. This is great for blackheads, clogs, and acne. This is the same professional tools that both esthetician and dermatologist use. But it's all about the steam. And this produces a nano steam stream, which is really going to get into your pores for a deeper clean than you've ever had. Now, this is so fast and easy to use, so you can enjoy a quality facial anytime you want. To begin using, simply fill the included cup up to the line with water, turn the unit on, and pour it in. Within 2 minutes, you'll have that nano steam. Then place your head inside to where it's comfortable. It can get a little bit hot, and then relax. You can also increase or decrease the steam amount by adjusting this valve. And to use the nose guard, it fits right inside. And remember, this is going to target your nasal area. You can even add a couple of drops of your favorite essential oil for a truly aromatherapy treat. Now, the extractors are going to work their best right after a steam treatment because your pores are going to be wide open. Not to mention, this is the optimal time to use your hydrating lotions. Everyone should own one of these machines. You're going to discover all kinds of added benefits like improved circulation, cleaner skin, not to mention relief from sinus congestion and sinus headaches. But best of all, you're gonna love our super low price. So head on over to the site and grab one for yourself today.